Okay, so here's a video for you to look at an all fours position where we can move through the knee but stabilise pelvis to really feel the lower back kind of stretch and work an area of the SI joint. Now it's more like a knee stretch, but let me show you how you can feel into this exercise, okay? So we're going to come down to all fours. Now in all fours, hands are on the mat, knees are hip width, and we really need to find a nice long position through spine. So be aware of pelvic position in this position, or rounding too much with the head down. If you lift the head, push through the shoulder blades and draw the shoulder blades down through the body. Lift the ribs, tuck the pelvis in slightly. So you're finding more of a centre, like a neutral position, to engage those core muscle groups, to wrap spine and stabilise the pelvis. And if we breathe in and exhale as we move back, keep the pelvis neutral as much as you can. Try to touch the bum. I'm going to put my feet down a little bit to get into the hips more. And then forward here, okay? Without changing pelvis like this, okay? We work a nice position, hinging at the knee and the hips, not the pelvis. It's a nice movement to make. Working back, hinge, and forward. You're trying to get as far back as possible without the pelvis winking in, okay? Keep a nice long spine and back forwards. Now, change of position. Now that one there, maybe do about 8 and then chin in, pelvis in, round your spine. So you're going to feel the pull here. Now, breathe comfortably. Come back again. Back rounded. Now I can feel the pull here. So just get a nice position. And then when we come back forward, either keep rounded with the ribs lifted up, chin in, and the shoulders pushing through, or you just come back into this position and then round again from that neutral spine. Okay? Good, there. And again, do 8 of those, some good spine work. Now, this is one that really challenges me. It could be very different for you, but knees together, bring the feet out into this wide position. Now, I have to work hard with my lower back to keep a neutral pelvis. Keep the knees and thighs together and hinge back. Now I'm really struggling to keep my pelvis in, so I'm only going back a little way. You might get further back. Feel it into the hips, the pelvis, and work forward. Now we're just trying to work into the hips a bit more. Get the rotation working out there. And then without tucking in with the pelvis or dipping in the back, we keep a good position and just working on that area. Now I reckon a good amount to do here is 8, 8 and 8. If you feel that working nicely to get the muscles lengthening and stretching and moving through the lower back, see if you can connect to another set, okay? 3 exercises there, working nice and steadily, 8 of each. Great for the SI joint, working in around the hips there, pelvis, spine, core as well, so remember to connect to that as well. See how you get on.